Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some quick and easy DIY Valentine's Day gifts that you guys can make at home. They're definitely really cute, creative gifts that you can give to someone who you love on that special day. And I hope you guys do enjoy watching today's video. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. To make this first DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is a picture frame. Second, construction paper, color of your own choice. Third, for this project, I'm going to be adding 3 of these drawn out pictures that includes the heart-shaped labels, but you can add pictures of yourself with your partner. Fifth, add some decorations of your own choice. I'm going to be adding these heart decorations just to make it look pretty. And finally, a glue stick. First, grab a construction paper. Next, select the 3 pictures that you want to add on the construction paper and lay them out whichever way you want. Next, grab the labels and start with putting the right label on the right picture. Make sure you use your glue stick. Once you've glued those in, next I'm just going to end up adding in the heart cutouts, and I'm just going to place them on there, just like that. Once that's done, next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this in the frame. Wow, this came out really beautiful. The dates were actually random. If you want, you could include the dates that you had met your partner. This was just a random date that I just picked and ended up adding it on the little heart cutouts. But yeah, here's the finished look. To make this DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is a basket, a tissue paper plus a transparent wrapping paper, chocolates of your own choice. To fill up the basket, you can add in some accessories or some stuffed animals. I'm using some roses and just a stuffed animal to just place inside the basket. Start with grabbing the tissue paper and just placing it inside the basket, and then place the transparent wrapping paper. Once you've done that, this is how it would look like. Next, start with placing the chocolates inside the basket. Make sure to fill up the basket, and once you've filled it up, this is how it looks like. To finish it off, I ended up adding a balloon and I placed a ribbon so that it completes the basket look. And honestly, this came out so beautiful. To make this next DIY project, the first thing you're going to need is a cardboard piece, tissue paper, color of your own choice, a red Sharpie marker, pencil, scissors, and glue. Start off with drawing a heart on the cardboard piece. Then cut out the heart, and this is how it would look like. And do the same thing on the other side. Draw it out, cut it up, and then you have 2 hearts. Next, grab one of the colored tissue paper. I'm going to be choosing the color red, and pretty much what you're going to do is you're just going to cut a piece of the tissue paper. Once you've cut out a piece, next pretty much what you have to do is just grab a pencil, and from the bottom where the eraser is, just twist the tissue paper up just how I did it. Add some glue on the cardboard and just stick the tissue paper on there like this. One down and more to go.
"20 minutes later."
Almost there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Once that's complete, I'm just going to grab the other cardboard piece and add some glue and just stick them together. And here's the finished look. Honestly, it did take me a little time to finish this DIY project off, but overall, I think I'm really happy with the way it looks. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be coming out really soon. So for all my video updates, you guys can check me out on Instagram. My Instagram is provided down in the description below and just down here. And also you guys can follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is _MPretmatharu as well. Today's video shout out goes to Billy. Shout out to you. To get a video shout out, all you have to do is give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel, and you will be entered in for a shout out in my next video. That's all you have to do. Take care guys, do stay safe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, bye!